Hi. I'm Claudia from Cake4three. Let's cut and assemble a chocolate and chili pepper cake. Initially, I wanted to make a naked cake, but then, since I had some cream left over, I decided to cover it. As you can see, it's not perfect, but I'm not a professional, just self-taught. If I can make these cakes, anyone can make them. Not perfect, but good enough. Please forgive me for the imperfections. To see how to make the sponge, you can follow my tutorial. I'll leave you the links in the description. You will find, as always, the doses and ingredients for the creams and decorations in the description. I start by cutting the 2 sponges. As you can see, I'm using a small plate that has a bit of a rim. By following the edge of the plate by turning the cake, and going deeper with the knife, I can easily cut the sponge all at the same height. I do the same for second sponge. I will continue with the next level. I put the last layer upside down to have more square edges. I whip the cold cream from the fridge until stiff. Meanwhile, in a bowl, I mix the cheese with the sugar. I add the vanilla extract. I then incorporate the microwaved melted dark chocolate that has been left to cool. As a general rule, try not to mix ingredients with very different temperatures. Now we have to mix the cream and cheese with the chocolate. The cream is cold, the cheese and chocolate are warm. To solve the problem, incorporate the cream in several steps, to equalize the temperatures and not deflate the whipped cream. I incorporate it delicately, trying not to deflate it. To assemble the cake, I use a sheet of acetate that I secure around the base of one of the cake slices. I first put a layer of berry jam, then the cream cheese and chocolate, and then the berries. Put another layer of sponge, and start again with the same order: jam, cream and berries. Remember to keep some berries aside for decoration. I close with a layer of cream and let it cool overnight. I have 1 layer of sponge left over. I decided not to add, otherwise the cake would have been too hay. I cut with smaller rounded cutter, and I will cover this and make a mini cake for my family. I will show you at the end of the video. Stay with me up to the end. The next day I take the cake again. I remove the acetate. I put the cream in a piping bag and decorate it with tufts, put the berries in the center. Since I have some cream left, I dirty the cake and distributed it around. Please don't do in this way, is the wrong one. I have just did not to leave the leftover in the fridge. I clean the base. Finally, I spray the fruit with some spray gel. You can easily find it at the supermarket. You can also heat and dilute a little jam with a drop of water and use it to brush the fruit. Here is the finished cake. And here is the little cake for my family. Thanks for watching my video. Feel free to share it with anyone who might be interested.